Hello everyone, this is Jose speaking. Welcome to the Trading Services Audits YouTube channel, where we will be doing honest and evidence-based reviews for you guys about trading services. Right now, our video will be reviewing this company called ChallengePass Management from the UK. They say that they have the capacity to pass your challenge and verification step. At this case, I paid for their services so they can pass an FTMO challenge account, and I will show you evidence about what was the outcome of that. But if we can see really fast here, they got about almost 17k followers, which if you know about social media marketing, you know that those followers can be bought. So please don't rely on the followers to decide if the service, if the company, if a person is legit. And as you can see, their social media marketing skills are pretty good. You've got a couple of challenge passed certifications and also the verification step certification that they allegedly did. And you got these two pictures that, you know, if you see these, your first impression is gonna be, hey, listen, this guy should be legit, right? And they are running a story. Let's see what the story says. It says Christmas deal. They are running a Christmas deal where they offer the challenge pass, the verification pass, and also a recovery challenges included, meaning that if you bought a challenge and you are in a drawdown, you can ask for their services so they can recover that challenge for you. Okay, they can do that challenge will be in a positive side. So very interesting. Okay, and first red flag here is that I bought the fall deal that was at the same fee, 300 pounds, and it's kind of a red flag, the fact that they run their fall deal on September, October, and first part of November with the same fee, and now they are running a Christmas deal. So I bet that whenever, if we got after Christmas, we got a new year, so they'll run a new Year's deal. For the same fee, which it's kind of sketchy because that makes you to say like, hey, listen, this deal it's gonna end soon, so let me buy this before it's late. So that's kind of a red flag there. Okay, and let's go. I want to do if we go to their site, which you can find right here, to their website, you can see that the social marketing skills are pretty good. Okay, they say they offer 24/7 support, which is not correct, which is not true based on my experience. And they describe you a little bit of their services. They even included 3 testimonial videos, and that's why I want to give you a testimonial video with evidence. And longer than this is 18 seconds, 11 seconds, 35 seconds. They added, supposedly, allegedly, their metrics links of previous accounts that they passed, allegedly. They included certificates that they allegedly already passed. And if you hit message offs, it's going to direct you to their administrator, supposedly, quote unquote, administrator. I don't even know if this is a real name. Morgan Pennington. Okay, I reached Morgan Pennington and I asked about their services. He basically, a very important question that I asked, if what is going to happen if you don't pass the challenge, and he gave me this long explanation, when it says that it's kind of a gray zone explanation, meaning that I understood other thing. Maybe it wasn't that clear. It says it is incredibly rare we fail. We pass pretty much every account we get given. But if your account falls under the small percentage, we will retry it completely free of charge, so you don't have to pay anything extra. So when I saw that, I don't know why I understood that he's not only going to cover his fee, but also he's going to cover the fee of the account that I just invested, right? And so I proceeded with the challenge. I paid for the challenge, and I'm going to show you right away the results. So I got this challenge, almost passed. I didn't pass it for basically I was almost so close to hit the 10 10% of the account. I didn't make it. So I gave it to them the repeat challenge. And as you can see, if we go to the matrix here really fast, you can see that it was they had a basically a break-even month. Okay, they got a break-even month. The most that they did was around 1.6 1.7 of the account return of investment, and they lost more than that. They lost around 2.4 of the account, but then they managed to recover, bounce back to the positive side of the equity curve, and we were able to repeat that challenge. As you can see here, they didn't trade on a daily basis. They open at most 2 trades per day, and as you can see, what they lost versus what they won is kind of, it varies. For example, here they lost around 1%. Here they lost 2%. Well, it was 2 trades, so 1% per trade. So it just was a break-even trade, break-even month. Sorry about that. A break-even month, as the equity curve shows you. So it's okay. If you're a trader, you know that this is normal. You will have losing months. You will have break-even months. That is normal. But if you have a 13 years of experience as an FTM, as a trader, and you're an FTMO trader, and you offer this service, you will expect that you have the resources needed to pass a challenge comfortably. Okay, but it's okay. I understood completely. Now let's go to their second attempt. This the last challenge that was not passed. Let's go to the matrix. Okay, so at the matrix you can see that they never had a winning trade, or they had a winning trade. Sorry about that. But they never were at the positive side of the equity curve, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, he had 11 trading days. Okay, so that is one of the most disappointing things, is that two things: the fact that he offers a recovery challenge service, and he can't even recover the drawdown that was made by him. So basically, and also the fact that he didn't have the sense of urgency to recover that challenge, that drawdown. Okay, he just had 11 trading days when he has basically 24 trading days in total. Okay, so he was in a drawdown, and maybe he was following his strategy, but the bottom line is that his strategy, he doesn't have he's just relying in one strategy that to give them the benefit of the doubt. It's just not working right now. Maybe it's profitable, maybe they have past challenges, but right now it's not working. Look at this equity curve. So they are just relying on on one strategy to offer this service. Okay, and not to offer the challenge pass, but to offer the recovery challenge service, which is unbelievable. So that's one. Two, as you can see here, their poor winning rate. I mean, we're saying that they open around they had 11 trading days. Okay, and all of the trade, let's say that they had 11, if I am not wrong, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So they had 11 trades in total. Okay, and just 2 winning trades. That's it, 2 winning trades. And this one was closed manually, and was on the very last day of the challenge. The last day of the challenge was December 20th, and they closed it on December 20th. That this trade was open on December 19th. So basically, of 11 trades, just two trades were won. Okay, and also, as you can see here, the market is extremely bearish right now, and the only instrument they are using for their strategy is gold, and they just know how to buy. If they are basically buying all the time, and when they said, okay, I'm buying all the time, try to sell it, and it's just not working. Okay, so as you can see here, their winning rate is extremely poor. Their risk to reward is extremely poor. We're saying that and here it says this is based on the established take profit and stop loss, is about 1-to-1 risk to reward. So you don't only have a bad winning rate strategy, but also you have a bad risk to reward ratio strategy, and also you don't have a trade management skills or technique in place They didn't. I one of these trades, I remember opening my MT4 account and looking at the trade and saying, "Wow, the trade is going good. It's almost 2% up of the account of return of investment." And instead of taking partials or instead of going break even, the trade ended up being a loss. Okay, so you know, as you can see, low sense of urgency. I had to tell them like, hey, listen, like the challenge is almost about to finish, and what are we gonna do? Okay, and as you can sure, and just to just so we are clear, for their second attempt, I didn't even uh reach them. I just let them do their thing, and here in one of these let me show you, in one of these messages, I say here, I say, hello there, Morgan. Your strategy has been struggling for the last 2 months. That could be okay, but please confirm this, that if the challenges fail, you will be retrying it for free, so paying for a new challenge. Thanks. I will appreciate if you can respond this message as soon as possible, since the account is in a drawdown with negative 6%. The last trade was opened 2 days ago with 3 trading days left to complete the challenge period. And he replied to me, yes, we will retry it without needing to pay it again. Don't worry, I understand. Just Christmas is very awful. Ha ha. So something that I forgot to say is that um, when he didn't pass the first attempt, which was a break-even month, he gave me the excuse that it was a choppy. Let me see if I can find it here. It was a choppy month. And that was kind of disrespectful for me, with the fact that, listen, I know how to analyze. I know how to do time frame analysis, multi-time frame analysis. I know how to read the charts. I am not like, I'm a trader as well. And to say that gold is not moving, that is choppy on October, November, when if you're a trader, you know that those are what is the last week of September, what is October, November, and the first weeks of December. That's the most moving months of the whole year. Okay, here it goes. It just yes, market has been very choppy. So instead of he saying like, listen, it just was a month that it was a break-even month for the strategy, he's saying to me, he's justifying himself that the market has been very choppy. Okay, so, and as you can see, guys, poor sense of urgency. When he knew he was 7% of the account down in negative, he didn't even, as you can see here, he didn't even attempt to recover that, to open a trade on a daily basis. He just waited like 2 days to open a trade. He opened a trade on the last day of the challenge and closed it with $500 of profits, which is nothing for the massive drawdown that the account was. I mean, guys, it's very concerning, this service, because basically he told me that at the end, he told me, listen, the challenge was not passed, but no worry about it. Just buy another challenge and I'll pass it. I'll pass it for free. You don't have to pay me the fee again. Which, can you imagine, was such a dishonest and shameful and disingenuous business model? Is that the fact that you are basically saying to people, hey, listen, don't worry, buy a new challenge. It doesn't matter if the challenge costs you $600. Just buy it and we will retake it again. No worries, for free. And if they fail it again, they're gonna say the same thing. So that's their business model, guys. And something, one last thing that I'm gonna tell about this, because I want to keep this video as short as possible, is that when they failed the challenge, I just share with them my experience with ChallengePass, quote unquote ChallengePass, and he said to me, Morgan Pennington, we will be enforcing legal action upon yourself if such claim becomes true. Okay, and that is so basically, I never threatened them. I never said, hey, listen, give me my money back or I'm going to do this. And he is basically, this is what con artists do. Con artists, this is what they do. They try to threaten you so you keep yourself in silence and other people won't know about what they are doing. Okay, and then he says, I'm saying it will be a honest review, trust me, with evidence, which is not defamation, so go for it. And he's saying, well, it is harassment, defamation, that I'm assuming he's meaning defamation, threats, etc. So if such event occur, we'll be issuing proceedings. So Morgan, I know you will be seeing this your company. I guess it's just only you. Man, go for it. Go for it. That I'm ready. And I hope that if you continue this service, you will be doing way better, man. Because this is a scam. This is a very low quality service. This is very shameful, and you'll see that many people after this video will be corroborating what I'm saying. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. I really appreciate you stood with me. I hope that you are not investing on this such a high risk scam like service. And I really wish you a Merry Christmas. I know that FDMO is running the Christmas calendar right now, and today's December the 23rd, so maybe tomorrow or on the 25th, they will be running a very juicy discount of the challenges, and maybe you are considering on investing with on paying for the services of Challenge Pass. Please don't do it. Don't do it, because it will be a very risky investment. And I hope that I mean I don't hope, I have given you my unbiased opinion, because it's evidence. Everything that I'm showing you is based on evidence. And please, I invite you to like this video, or dislike it, whatever you want to do. I respect your opinion. However, if you like it or dislike it, it will help for the YouTube algorithm, so many people will see this honest review, packed with evidence and packed with the analytics, regardless of my bias, regardless of my opinion, regardless of my experience. So, guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for stopping by. I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you soon. Let me know if you guys want me to do another review for another challenge, and I will absolutely take a look to it. So, you guys have a great one. Stay safe. Bye now.